know, dude. This motivates me. Having this, but like before that, like, I mean, I just hate losing. I want to always win. That's just the bottom line. Like, no matter what I do, I just want to win. And like, racing's just been my passion since I was 6. I've just wanted to win. So last year after my injury, I had my hopes high that I was going to be able to come back and race the end of the season. Unfortunately, that didn't work out for me. I had some issues with my wrist not healing properly. It was just a real slow recovery time, and we were trying our best to change my diets and stay in the gym and try to strengthen this wrist as much as we could and get back, but that didn't play out in my favor, so it was just tough. I couldn't really do a whole lot of anything last year. Yeah, and it just bummed me out knowing that I couldn't race the rest of the season. So Alan Myers and I have been working together. He's not racing this year, so he's kind of made the decision to help me out as much as possible this year. So we've just been putting in the work. We've been doing 23+ minute motos here, and it feels great to have a pro with me this year and be on my side and my corner. It's really good motivation and it's helped me out a lot. So I've known my biggest battle has been riding over my head, not staying calm. This year I've been really trying to focus on staying calm, staying consistent. I think that as long as I ride like I've been riding here and staying consistent, I think everything should fall in my favor for the race season.
Show me the product, we could've did it. Everything all crazy and some get it. And I just wanna move on and not regret it. But the past is too dark, I just can't forget it. Securing the nails in the coffin. I don't get this feeling too often. You made me this well, what's often. I'm done now, and this is your caution. This is your caution. I do that. You stabbing me straight in the back. Let's fuel to the flame. I'm here to attack. I'm cutting the head off the snake. That way we don't have to debate. They know it's a fake. Everyone hated me. Closing your case and this shit is a felony. Try to come back in my life and you get at me. Now you're my enemy. There is no remedy.
Having a track in my backyard is the coolest feeling ever. Not a lot of people have this opportunity, and it's just awesome. I can wake up and ride every day. I'm super grateful for my parents that they have given me this opportunity. I'd really like to make this training facility the #1 ATV facility for quads. It looks like it's getting some traction, and it's super cool to see it growing. We don't plan to quit. We plan to keep on growing it, so I'm super pumped.